I'm David Couchman. I'm from Pontypridd. I had bowel cancer. After doing the chemo and radiotherapy, I knew that it wasn't getting any better as such. And I started to find that certain parts of my body were beginning to fatigue. So that's why I decided, well, yes, I'll do it. Because without that sort of prehab treatment, I probably wouldn't have survived the operation. Never had experience of having to have exercises, which I did find at the time. When I first started, I thought, well, this is a waste of time. You realise then you weren't on your own, sort of thing. You was other people, and they were all doing the same sort of exercises for different reasons, I think, but nevertheless. And you had a good time, good chin-wag with them, and what have you. So it was very, in that sense, entertaining. It would take about half our day by the time we got from where I live in Ponty up to Abercunnan and do the exercise and then come back, because you didn't always get connection straight away, having to go up by bus and things like that. So it was difficult in that sense. Well, not difficult, but inconvenient, put it like that. So I think we were then offered to go somewhere else, which was a little bit more local, and that was better because we only it only took us about 2 hours, which is not bad at all. So I was quite pleased with that. Yeah, I was happy that we were given the choice. If I was walking down a gradient, then the back of my legs would start to go so weak that I had a job actually to walk. It was very, well, I had a feeling that the legs would all automatically go under me. So that's what it was initially. But of course, after doing these exercises for a couple of weeks, maybe 4 weeks or something like that, I did notice straight away that the legs were stronger going down an incline. But after having the chemo and radiotherapy, I did lose quite a bit of weight. I was able then to build up weight by having the prehab. And it got up to a level where, you know, they thought I was fit enough to have the operation. So actually, without that prehab, I probably would never have had the operation. I would advise anybody that's offered these treatment to actually take it, you know, because it will certainly do you a lot of good.